Hi guys, this is lovely hair day. My name is Angie, and today I'm going to show you guys my daily makeup routine. It's very simple and gorgeous, so if you want to know what products I use and basically my regimen, be sure to keep on watching and remember to subscribe. I already have a moisturized face, and sometimes I do put on concealer and all that stuff, but really I just keep it to the basics, and normally on a normal day I just start off with my eyebrows. So I'm going to use the same things I always use, which are the Profusion Define Brows Palette in chocolate brown, and I'm also going to use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel. It's in the shade soft brown. So here I'm just using this spoolie that came with the Define Brows palette to just brush my eyebrows into place. Kind of just starting at the bottom of my eyebrow, and I'm just making it look more arched and fuller. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Gel, and I'm just kind of lightly coating the brow. It's more of the filling in step. For the powder step, I just kind of shape them and outline them, and then I go in with the gel to just fill it in more. If you make a mess a little bit, don't worry, because I'm going to be using concealer to clean that up. Going in with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. It's in the shade Porcelain. I'm just going to take this on a aesthetic flat angled brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of it, or not a little bit, but kind of a lot, and I'm just going to shape around my eyebrows. So now I just kind of like rub it in a little bit, just to make sure I don't look like a raccoon. So now taking the highlighter shade from the Define Brows palette, I'm just going to take a little bit of it and put it on my brow bone. I'm just taking the Profusion, the highlight palette, but I'm using the shade Dreamy. And I'm just putting it where highlight usually goes, and on the forehead as well. A little bit on my nose, and then tip my nose. And I take it on my Cupid's bow just a little bit. I do not like it at all when people put overwhelming amount on the Cupid's bow, so I just tend to keep it minimal. And a little bit on the top of my forehead. I honestly wish that the Goddess shade in this palette would be good in my skin tone, because my name technically is Crown Goddess, but so that'd be awesome, but unfortunately it's not. On the days that I do just go out daily basis, I lately have been going in with mascara when I normally don't really do it that often, but I really like the look. It kind of gives me a more wide open look. So I'm using these Scandal Eyes in Retro Glam. It's by Rimmel London, and I learned this tip in my book that I've been reading. I read a lot of beauty books, and you just really lift your eye, and then you put the mascara on, and it's helping me so much. So once I finished doing my mascara, I'm wiping off any mistakes that I made. Like always, I'm going to go into lip care. So I'm going to use a mascara. What? I'm going to use the lip balm that I mentioned to you guys before that I really, really love, and it is the Palmer's Dark Chocolate Lip Balm. So on days that I just want to keep it simple and do not really a lot with my lip care, I just use this lip balm and I'm good to go. It has a tint on it, works just fine. But if I want to make it a little bit more special, I like to use my DLS lip balm, or the lip balm gloss. It's in the shade Nude Peach. I got it from Ipsy. But on a normal day, I tend to look like this. Honestly, highlight, brows, lipstick, lip gloss, or lip balm, or just lip balm, and I'm good. But yeah, this is the finished look. Very glowy, simple. I don't really use eyeshadow, all that stuff on a normal day. I like to keep it really simple, and if anything, if I don't use either mascara or lipstick or just anything, I'm lightly just gonna use just lip balm and brow products. Oh, and I just want to mention one quick thing. I forgot to do this in the video, but I used the shade Dreamy of the highlight, and I put it in my inner corners as well. So yeah, that's really all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you did and you wanted to see more content from me, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can not miss any uploads, and be sure to hit the notification button down below so you can notify every time I upload a new video on your phone. I upload every Sunday, and comment down below what your makeup routine or daily makeup routine is, or if you do makeup every day, and yeah, I'm just very curious. So Remember to wear your crown, not a frown, and stay beautiful. And love you guys. Bye.